Guys, today I will be sharing how to make cherry snowball cookies. For the ingredients, we need 1 teaspoon of almond extract. If you don't want to use almond extract, you can use coconut extract or vanilla. This is 1 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using glazed cherries, but if you don't want to use glazed cherries, you can use maraschino cherries. 1 cup of quick cooking oats, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 cups of plain flour. To begin, in a bowl, we're going to beat the butter. At this point, we can add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Then add the powdered sugar or icing sugar. Occasionally stop to scrape down the side of the bowl. Continue mixing. At this point, we can add the salt. And then we are going to gradually add the water. I'm adding water just to make sure that there is enough moistness for the batter or the dough, since we're not using egg. Now add in the plain flour and the quick cooking oats. Use a spatula to mix this first. And then to finish off, just to make sure that everything is well combined, we're going to use the handheld mixer again. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. So before starting to make this, preheat your oven. So now get about 1 tablespoon of the dough. Form it into a bowl. Then make an indentation. And then add the glazed cherries in the middle. Then enclose the glazed cherries and form the dough into a ball. Then place this in a baking pan lined with parchment paper. One more time. So we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until the bottom part of the cookies is light golden brown. And this is now ready to be baked. And this is what it looks like after baking. This is what I'm talking about, like the bottom is slightly golden brown. Now to make the icing, we're going to need 1/4 cup of milk, 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar, and moist flaked coconut or shredded coconut. It is sweetened. So when you add the milk into the powdered sugar or icing sugar, don't add it all at once. Check the consistency. It needs to be a little bit thick but runny. Just like this. This is perfect consistency for me. I didn't add all the 1/4 cup of milk. So now we're going to dunk the cookies in the powdered sugar. And then we're going to roll this into the shredded coconut. And then keep on doing this until you finish up with all the cookies. This cookie recipe is perfect for Christmas, so I hope you give this a try. And this is what they look like now. I'm putting each one in a small cupcake liner or mini cupcake liner. And just to decorate these, I'm using the leftover glazed cherries that I cut in quarters. just to put on top. This is optional. And this is our finished product. I hope you give this a try. This cookie recipe is so easy to make, perfect for holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. And just to show you what it looks like inside when you cut the cookies in the middle, this is what you will see. Again, I'll see you again next week. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!